says the man that walk it down to the council of the ungodly. The girls that will never dash in the belly scream. The man that walk it what you want to fight. Alright, the road step down in the building and I laugh everything. Turn on the thing on the ball on fire. Mommy, I want something else. Cause me on my time down and my head sick in you know my thing go. And I can't for some man. Turn up where your eyes is. The man never love life gossip. The man never love bleach gossip. The man never love fuck pussy gossip. The man never give back to man. Turn on the eye. Don't fuck me on all day. My head sick and slept down there. Walk over here. Walk over here. Walk over here. The man never love fuck pussy
Listen, man. But they are alright. Everything alright? Alright. Hear me now? We just burn and fire because the artists they run and they want to touch it. You know what I mean? You don't see it around. You see me? Make the rest one go burn it back. Give the paper. There's like the wine. What do them there? Silver cap. So we just want to burn it up and done. What is the Teflon? Run the number chocolate in there. Can't need the money. Well, one of the steel. Yeah, one of the steel chocolate. All of the people is fire of operation, understand? Can't need the money. I don't want to roll so far. No more. Place of Venisa. Best woman. Love the people them. Let me go to work them. What's the Teflon? Can't need the money.
The man can't need the money. He can't need the girls and when the pussy were tight. The girls and when the pussy tight scream. You see me defend the girls, me defend youngsters, me defend tough. The man that can defend themselves also. Marching, when you talking, we were talking, but you just talking. You were just talking. You were just talking around me. You were talking. Hold on, Joe, what is? Two of the microphone going on. Alright, all the rock is going up here. Give him my reading. The third one. The second one, the other one is right up here after that. Come on. Go and sing some song. Next to the eyes, please, don't properly. All the money when I hit the last guy, please pay attention. What kind of you are doing the bumper and slap microphone on the eye? Don't get it sick in the man. Yo, pick up yourself in a free town. I'm mighty. Hey, I'm mighty. Never give up, don't abide the way. Catch them on TV now. On the microphone, now they go. Turn it up. Turn it up. All this are selector, pay attention please. Listen what I want. It's just a jailhouse rap, it just can't stop me. And the boys in every table, the red eyes are the just a jailhouse. They ain't tough there, they ain't rock on with them. You're free code, but I'm sitting on the ears and looking plenty. You're trying to get a race, oh plenty. You're watching my baby mother looking. Hold on, I'm gonna turn it up. That one and you, why is he want about me? He's starving on the line. She with the ring, they go to starving on the side. Good place of food, we're starving on the side. Alright, listen. Straight up, the white it, but me it's in line, but me it's beside me. The place is behind it, they go up behind it, the night is fine. Listen. Why you go, listen. What do you want me doing? Settle it. Alright, I see girls that know that feel for the girls. Listen. Why you only talk lazy when things happen? Why you love the railway but lazy not stacking? Why you go myself lazy school like a stocking? Why you the man you make lazy think of him? Why you fall like sweet and but lazy for hunting? Why you can't afford but I'm lazy relaxing? But you want us for the crazy? Hey, that's right. What do you know? The girls don't want white, so why? The girls don't want me to me. Some girls are going like them and them not take one man. Boy, do you know the girl that want to take one? The man that want girl is a girl. Do you know the man that want girl is a girl? I want to tell you, I'm a girl is, you know. I'm a bad man, you know. I ain't next in line, come there just too long. You don't know the thing that I escape. I need to go right and some boy I want like they want to go with the thing. Do you know the girl for yourself? There's some boy I want like them a bad man, but my head secret on them. You want to big up for yourself. Hey, bring out, you know I want to touch it, I just know it, bring it up, right? You know the sound that I say, who does not know it? You want to listen to themselves, going on. Yo, don't be up for it, and be up. Yo, over yourself. Hey, that's what you're going on. I need it, I'm not. It's all I'm going on. You know, let me up on one. Yo, that's what you're going on. I need it. Hey, put on heat, hey, put on heat. Yo, I like them, you know what I'm saying, but man, can you say he come out? You know, some of the anytime that clap out, and that's why I come out. You see what man, and the man that want your food, they go stick your tongue out. I will pull my tongue down. I think it's over there. Yeah, everybody knows that I go for good shots. Help them play, boy. The man that want to never go, run on. The man that puts up a two, go for this. Go. As the next blood clot time you come around and set up the microphone go and stand turn around the box there. And you see me and the artist you can hear myself good, so all you can hear myself, all good, hear myself, hear me good, right? So pick up the girls there. You want to see next time you get our box, put on stage show because you think turn up. Now watch who come and you show your thing loud and see people turn out the same way. I want to go. Next in line, let's see you. Now I want to the girls there now. Grab on the turban and sing. Listen, come here. You see me? We love the girls them come over. Come here. Listen what I want. This guy don't want me to go back to the city. I mean, I got a damn turban. So we go, take on the house, we go. Yeah, oh my God, she's everything. Hey, I need to turn it on. Oh, God. Hey, pull up. You don't even know who wants that woman. You don't look at it. Bring it up. I don't know. Broke it out. They get locked up over there. They get locked up, you know. Yeah, you know. Stop. Big up on yourself. Thank you very much for turning over. But you see you. Hey. Don't be scared. Don't want people to man. I can't find them for the man. So you take on over the other room. Yeah, oh my God. She's definitely needs. Guess what? When I even turn them away, go. I'm ready to end up. Then I can't go in. Bring down the outside and big up on yourself. We love you. I never said it. Turn it up. Green down. Hey, I don't mind party. You can't flex up. Hey, keep it green. no time, shall we then stay time. Give all the key to the next and the race and the next day time. Call the team, my battery dead. Yes, and I breathe on the wash the head. My doors are the wash the head. Wait, on the edge of the got the head. Man, back close on the dash with it. We ain't shit back with scratch the head. We want the girl man a half and a watch the real up head and a watch it. Take like that's what she said. Get a pussy fuck, that's what he said. Oh, that's hey, say, that's it. Big up on yourself. Big up on the other man go on. Teflon in the building. Big up on yourself. All the way to Teflon say fire. One guy knows that. One guy knows that he's a youth. Four times a day in Jamaica, but the hard day in Jamaica, man, love the island. Love for the brother, you know. Come on, love each other, you know. Love are the greatest gift, you know. But let me tell you something, don't overdo it. Love your woman in the yard how you're supposed to. Don't love your man, your friend on your road like how you're not supposed to.